This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson store. And this is a brand new 2026 Peterbilt Model 520 cab and chassis. It's got the 20,000-pound steer axle. It's a 265-inch wheelbase. It's 365 inches from the cab to the end of the frame. Got our Allison 4000 RDS transmission. In front of that is our Paccar PX9, 380 horse, 1,250 foot-pound of torque. Battery box, got your jumper studs underneath it, the battery disconnect switch. Air tanks are mounted inwards on the frame for more clearance. Riding around in some Goodyear 11R 22.5s back here. It's got 46,000-pound air track rear suspension with drum rear brakes. Air track. 557 gears. It's got 315 22.5 steer tires on it. 50-gallon fuel tank. Has an air actuated cab lift on it. Take a look inside. Everything you'd want your new garbage truck to be. Your AM/FM radio mounted up there with Bluetooth. Push button for your Allison transmission. Fire extinguishers mounted up there. Got some extra fans. It does have air conditioning. Take a peek on the other side. Reflective triangles down here on the floor. So if you could use this, give me a call, 706-372-4698.